If akinyaki, utaya snap akinyaki. Kana kuiwa, if akinyaki, I don't feel like it. On killing hore ke fihle mo killing ting vandag. And ha ona motho o tong ntsha mo killing ting, killing mo vandag. So I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to I don't think any celebrity owes anyone.
Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Santi. You, but say Scott Mapuma just pissed Mzansi off because of his attitude and arrogancy. But say fans are complaining that Scott Mapuma is rude and he is full of himself simply because he always refuses to take pictures or videos with his fans. So this has been an ongoing debate for a very long time. And then it looks like it got to Scott Mapuma because he ended up releasing a whole statement on Instagram explaining why exactly he hates taking pictures, but still it looks like people did not understand. He further on went to an interview that he was invited at, but because that is where now things became horrible for him, because during that interview he mentioned that there is no one that put him where he is apart from God, and there is no one who's going to remove him from that position. Matter of fact, he does not care about what people think when he refuses to take pictures with them. Because of course Mzansi was pissed, more especially Scott Mapuma's fans. During an event that was held this year, people refused to match his energy. He was basically there on stage performing for himself. Those that I bandla puti significa a break since you were so yearning for it. But Sandibumko say this behavior of fans went on to another event that was held in Mpumalanga, whereby fans or the crowd was just dead. He had to make a public apology, of which was not actually a public apology. It was more of a mediocre like, and people are saying I will remove you from that high horse that you are currently situated at. Now my question is, because it is wrong for celebrities to refuse to take pictures, or is there a certain manner for them to refuse so that they do not appear as being rude to their fans? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.